Why cells divide? Your body has a problem. Cells are constantly dying. Sometimes skin wears off, muscles tear, and bones crack. If your body doesn't replace cells, you might fall apart in weeks. That's why your cells divide themselves. One becomes two, two becomes four, and the cycle keeps going. The process is called mitosis. Your body makes 3.8 million new cells every second. Your skin replaces itself every 28 days. After 5 days, your stomach lining rebuilds, and bones remake themselves every 10 years. All of this is possible because of cell division. Without it, you would stop healing and growing. This is how your body keeps itself new and alive.